Hi, lovely people. How are you? Let me know in the comments how your day is going and how you've been. So I have the camera pushed up a little bit closer because I'm trying different angles. I know before you guys said I was a little too far back, and then when I was a little closer, it was like glitching. So this is just a trial and edit. Oh my God, trial and error. So let me know what you think about this angle. But before I begin unboxing the Sunday Riley subscription box, I went to my post office and I have a lot of cards in here. And I want to thank you guys. I don't always do that. I do have a P.O. box. I always leave it down in the description box. But if you don't know, my grandmother passed away 3 weeks ago. And I've gotten so many cards with your condolences. So I want to thank you so much. Lately, I've been doing pre-recorded videos. So like when I sit down, I might do 3 or 4 videos at a time. So I haven't got a chance to really thank you guys, so I don't want you guys thinking I was being rude. I have gotten all the cards and the gifts and everything else, so I thank you so much. It doesn't go unnoticed. All right, so I did a poll on my channel because I have a few unboxings. Like I said, I was so behind. I haven't been to my P.O. box in a few days, well, about a week or so. So there was a lot of boxes in there. And I got the Sunday Riley subscription. Now, this was, I think, about a month ago. And then it got on back order. So finally, when I paid for it, they finally, about a week and a half ago, they said, congratulations, your subscription has shipped, and I literally just got it today. So I think I paid for this almost a month ago. I've been waiting. This is, I think, every 3 month subscription, and this subscription is $95. It's quite expensive. You can also get, well, you can get a one-time box that's $95, or you can get a reoccurring box, and I pay $85 for that. So I did see an unboxing on this about a month ago. I believe it was kitty boxes, but I honestly don't remember what's in here. It's been so long, and I love Sunday Riley products. So comes in an outer box like this. I have not even cut it open to see what is in here, so we will see together. All right. I know $95, like I said, is expensive, but for good skincare, I think, you know, it's worth paying. All right, so it comes in a box like this, and nothing in there. Make sure. No. All right, so this is what the box looks like right there. This is a pretty big box. All right, let's open her up. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. Look how big this box is. All right, so what is this? Is this a card? Okay, so this tells you what everything's going to be in the box, and it tells you a little bit about it, and it also gives you the prices, so that's good. All right, so the first thing that I am pulling out is the sleep and loungewear. What is this? Is this no, this was a robe, I remember. So that's what it looks like from Maison de Soir. Is that what it is? Let's see what it says. All right. So now I got to find it. I should go in order so I can see everything. Where you be? Okay, here it is. All right, so this is retail for $100, guys. Look at that, $100. All right, maybe it's a one size fits all. Let's open her up and see. What size is this? What'd you be? Doesn't say, just says made in the USA. All right, so this is awful thin. I mean, you guys can see right through it. Look at that. It is very thin. This will be great for the summertime, but I don't know about $100. I mean, look at that, guys. You can see right through it. I don't know where they come up with these prices. Maybe it's a name, like a really good name brand. I don't know. So that's $100. All right. Then what is this? This says Sunday Riley on it, right there. Let's open her up. Oh, okay. This is brand new. We got this in an Allure. This is the C.E.O. Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil. Now, I did try this. Like I said, we got this a few months ago in our Allure, and I really, really like it a lot. And that's quite expensive, too. How much is that? So that's $40. And I might put this in a future giveaway only because I already have one and it's so good. I want one of you guys to try that. So that is definitely exciting. And then we got C.E.O. What is this? Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Right there. Can you guys see that? Okay. Let's see what that says. All right, so this retails for am I going out of focus? For $45. And what does that say? It is the serum infused with 15% ultra stable advanced vitamin C, rapid brightens the appearance of the skin and immediate radiance while fighting the look of dark spots and discolorations of the skin. So that's good because believe it or not, I mean, I have foundation on and everything, you can't tell, but I have a lot of sun damage from years of the early 90s, 2000s of, I live in New Jersey, so I would go right from the tanning bed, and I live literally like 30 minutes away from Atlantic City, New Jersey. So I would go right from the tanning bed to the beach, and like I would use baby oil. I wouldn't even use any kind of like sunblock or anything. So because of that, I do have a lot of skin damage, and vitamin C really does work. It does brighten up your skin, and it has really lightened up my sunspots. All right, so that's good that they put that in here. I like that, so that way it doesn't leak out or anything like that. So that's really good. All right. The next thing we got is this Method and Madness. What is this right there? All right, this is in pink, something pink. I can't see, it looks blurry. Let's see. Okay, peculiar pink, I think it says. All right. Ooh, look at that packaging, guys. That is gorgeous. All right, I'm going to read up and see. This is from Lipstick Queen. All right, so that is, ooh, it has like swirls in it. Look, guys. Can you guys see that? At first, I thought the lipstick was going bad because of the color, but no, look at the squirrels. Oh my God, the swirls. All right, let's read up on that puppy. All right. I wish it was like a pamphlet that like it comes out and you can see everything on the paper instead of me looking for everything. I don't edit my videos, so let's see. Where are you? Where you be? Why can't I find you? Okay, here it is. So this would be $25. Holy cow. Lipstick Queen gives your lips everything they want plus something they never imagined. Experience the pure magical chaos of Method in this madness as swirls of the ultra luxe creamy hues combine into one bold lip color of its own. All right, so let's just see. I mean, that packaging is really gorgeous. $25, I don't know. So let's see. That's a pretty color though. That's a really pretty color. That is gorgeous, and it is so opaque, and it's like a satin, which I like. All right, so I'll definitely get some use into that. And then we got a 2019 pocket agenda, which is good. I like these for my pocketbooks. All right, so that's what it looks like. That is really pretty. All right, and so it just looks like this right there. You guys can see. All right, let's see how much that is. Let me know, do you guys think this is worth $95? I don't know, guys. I don't know. All right, where are you? This is a pain in the ass that you got to look for every little thing. Okay, so that would be $14 for the planner. All right, so what you be? This is by Oribe. This is leave-in treatment right there. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oribe? This is for your scalp. Soothing leave-on treatment. Right there. So that's what that looks like. All right, let's see. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you could go right directly on your scalp. All right, let's see what this says. All right, so that would be $48. It says, instant relief. This lightweight and fast absorbing leave-on treatment removes dandruff, flakes, while cooling mint and calming calamine, soothe, and balance the scalp. How to use. Part your hair in sections, apply directly onto scalp where needed, and massage in. It can be used on damp or dry hair. Perfect to use on past color soothing scalp. So that's good because as I'm getting older, I've noticed I'm starting to get like some psoriasis and eczema, and my skin flakes up a lot now. It's getting very dry, so I'm definitely going to try this out. This says it's $48. I know that that brand is quite expensive, so we shall see if it works. All right, what else we got? This is a gentle exfoliator right there. VV cream. Beauty cream exfoliator for the V. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Hold on a second. What the heck is that? All right. Is this what I think it is? Okay, hold on. This is $34, and it says the perfect V product line is for any time, any kind of hair removal, and always for beauty's sake. It is pure, indulgent, pampering for your V. For that down there. It's pH balanced, dermatologists and gynecologists test it without parabens or SLS, and fragrance free. These products are made, certain things I don't want to say on here. Gentle exfoliator helps ward off and prepare skin for any potential problems with ingrown hairs, red bumps, and redness. You gently cleanses and refreshes, use one time a day. So that's kind of weird to be in a Sunday Riley. Well, I guess it's for your skin, but it's for down there. Okay, I'm not knocking that. All right, what else do we have? We got a couple more things. Oh, and here's about that little thing right there. Did I even say who it's from? This is from, it's VV Cream, Gentle Exfoliator. The perfect V. All right, moving on. There's two more things. All right, this is what you be. What the heck is this? Corpus? I don't know. That's what the packaging looks like. This is a natural deodorant. All right, let me find it and see how much that is. So this would be $22. I haven't really found like a natural deodorant that really works for me. I don't know if I like that smell. So that's what it looks like, and it is just a deodorant. I'm going to see if my daughter or somebody would want this, because they're very good and healthy for you, but I just haven't found one that keeps like the odor away, like in the summertime when you sweat. I don't know. All right, and last but not least is a powerful personal massager. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see what this is. All right, so this would be $45. It says the vibe was created to simplify sex. Tired of seeing the... Okay, I can't read that because my channel already got demonetized, but this is what it looks like right there. So it is $45. It is a personal massager. So I am so surprised that we got this. And we got exfoliating cream in this box. I'm not knocking it, and I'm not hating on it. I am not at all. But I'm just really surprised in this box we got that. So that is all. And then the robe is $100. I don't know if I would pay $100 for that robe. But everything else, I am really satisfied we got in this box. Now, here's the question. Do you guys think that this box is worth $95? I believe it's every 3 months or every other month. I'll leave it down in the description. I want to say every 3 months, but in case I'm wrong, I'll leave everything down in the description box. So that's everything for the Sunday Riley subscription box. Let me know what you think of it. If you are wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing the brand new ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. This just came out last week, I believe, and that's what she looks like. I have it on my eyes today. This is the first time I am using it. I'm going to use it a few more times and then give you guys what I think of it. So far, I really, really like it. And then I am using from the same line. It's called Moody Bloom. These are the Luxe lipsticks that I really like them a lot. And that's what it looks like. That's the color. I got a couple shades in this as well. And like I said, once I wear them for a few days, I will definitely make a video with a review on, you know, what I think of it, because I only used a couple colors out of the palette. So that's everything, guys. Make sure you like this video. It does help me out. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you want to continue seeing this on our channel? Let me know. And as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And we are almost at 30,000, guys. So make sure you share this video, get it out, because once we hit the 30,000, we're going to have a big giveaway. All right. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.